na 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 na. I'm in my party. I'ma shout it from the roof in $1 million mood. I woke up feeling great, sun is shining on my face. Now I'm just kicking back with these rosy colored glasses on. With a dream glass, never looks so green. Little birdies in the tree, keep singing my favorite song. It must be my lucky day. Everything go in my way. Never looking down because I'm way up. I keep this smile on my face 'cause I can sleep in.
Nakikita namin siya talagang sobrang talino niya.
Smart kid.
Minsan siya pa yung magtatanong sa amin kung alam namin yung mga bagay-bagay. Tapos, yes, biglang siya na yung magsasabi sa amin na yun talaga yung ano, yung mga nangyayari.
Smart talaga. Actually, since baby naman, smart si Kian. Since bata pa. Tapos, syempre, marami na siya, naku-curious na siya. Sobrang curious niya na sa lahat ng bagay.
Challenge na rin sa amin kasi since curious siya, parang tingin ko natututo din kami sa mga sa mga tanong.
When they see me passing by with my hands in the air and the sun in my eyes, I just wanna shout it out. It's the best day of my life. Feeling like I just got paid. I could do this every.
Sa akin.
Tingin ka sa kanya. Kasi scholar kasi siya eh, kaya tingin ka sa kanya.
Tsaka mahilig siya mag-chess. Diba?
Medyo
Mag-chess
nahihilig
siya.
na siya mag-chess.
Magaling siya. Mas marunong pa siya sa akin mag-chess. Nag-start ata siya parang 5 years old. Nag-chess na siya.
And enjoy the view. I'm in $1 million mood. I'ma shout it from the roof in $1 million mood. Yeah, I can't help but feel like it must be my lucky day. Everything go in my way. Never looking down because I'm way up. I keep on smiling.
Ayun, sana mag-enjoy lahat. Tapos, sana yun, maging memorable sa lahat yung 7th birthday ni Kian.
Sana mag-enjoy din si Kian. Kasi siya yung nag-request na
yeah.
Jollibee yung birthday niya sa 7th birthday niya. Maraming beses. Siguro natuwa siya sa mga games. Yun yung nilolook forward niya.
You see, yo, since Jane, we be together. Lend a hand, it's getting better. I got your back, no matter the weather. You lift me up, I lift you up alright. You'll be alright. We'll stay connected, all of us connected. Yeah, reach it out. When we are together, we will.
Happy birthday, Kian. Sana maging malusog at masipag at gumanda pa ang iyong grades high school. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kian. Wish ng mama, maging mabait kang bata at matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. So, bawas-bawasan na kakulitan. I love you.
Everybody shine your light. You and I, we make a difference. I see the way, you see the vision.
Happy birthday, Kian. Wishing you more birthdays to come. And good dad, always be a good boy. And we're so proud of you, of what you've done, what you reach. I hope you'll be a good kuya to Tiana. Always remember that we are always here for you.
Yeah. Reach it up, reach it.
Happy birthday, Kian. Wishing you all the best. Sana ang wish ni Papa Lolo na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral and maging mabuti kang bata. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo ngayon at magiging pangarap mo kapag laki mo. God bless you always and we're always here for you. Thank you. Love you.
Shine bright, yeah. Shine bright.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Thank you for being good kid. Tapos continue as smart as you are. We love you so much. I hope you enjoy your party. I love you.
Hi Kuya Kian, Sana nagustuhan mo tong celebration natin, yung pag-birthday mo. Tingin ko lahat naman ng wishes mo, lahat ng gusto mo ngayong birthday mo, tingin ko bibigay naman namin ni Mami. Sana lang pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabait at sweet sa amin ni Mami at sa kapatid mo. Yun, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at may tao.
Shine bright, shine, shine the light. Shine. Everybody shine.
Happy birthday, Kian! Love you very much,
Happy birthday, Kuya Kian! We love you!